Konnichiwa, minasan. My name is Jake. Welcome to our channel, Gen X Jake. For today's video, we are going to do an unboxing review of the newest product from MOCREO, the H6Lite Hub and the MS3 temperature monitoring bundle. But before we proceed, I would like to give thanks to our friends from MOCREO for sending me this product to be reviewed. Disclaimer, even if they had sent me this product, I will be 100% honest to whatever I see, the good and the bad parts of it. And finally, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button. And also, if you have any other queries, suggestions, or anything under the sun, just comment it down on the comment box. By the way, if you like this product, I will be putting the links on the description box down below. I think that is it. Without any further ado, let's start the unboxing and review of the MOCREO H6Lite Hub plus the MS3 temperature monitoring bundle kit. Here we have the all-new MOCREO H6Lite Hub plus MS3 temperature monitoring bundle. Inside the box, you'll find everything needed to get started with the refrigerator and freezer monitoring. First up, we have the MS3 temperature monitoring sensor. This is the device that will actually monitor and record the temperature of your refrigerator or freezer. Next, we have the H6Lite Hub. This is what connects the system to the MOCREO application. Also included in the box is an extra cable manager and a magnetic metal mounting plate. Let's take a closer look at the MS3 temperature sensor. One feature that I immediately like is the flat cable that connects the external temperature probe to the main sensor body. This may seem like a small detail, but it's actually a smart design choice. Since this sensor is intended for refrigerators and freezers, the cable often needs to pass through a small door seal. A flat cable minimizes gaps and helps reduce pressure on the wire when the door is closed repeatedly. And here is the external temperature probe itself. This metal probe is the part that actually goes inside the refrigerator. Looking at the front of the MS3 sensor, you'll notice it features a circular LCD display. While it's not a color display, I actually see this as a positive. Now, looking at the back, you'll see the built-in magnetic mounting system. This allows the sensor to be attached directly to metal surfaces such as refrigerator doors. On the side of the sensor, you'll find the multifunction button, used during the setup and operation. At the top, there's a mounting hole that can be used with a strap or hook if you prefer a hanging installation instead of a magnetic mounting. Now, let's move on to the H6Lite Hub. On the front, you'll notice the raised section featuring the MOCREO branding. For those familiar with the H6 Pro Hub, one of the main differences is that the Pro version includes a night light function, while the H6 Lite focuses purely on monitoring features without the integrated light. For users who only needs temperature monitoring, this helps keep things simple. Setting up the H6Lite Hub is very straightforward. Simply plug the hub into a power outlet and wait for the status indicator to show up it's ready for pairing. Next, open the MOCREO application. Tap the plus icon in the upper right corner and follow the on-screen instructions. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes. Once the hub is successfully connected, we can proceed with the setting up the sensor. Adding the MS3 sensor follows a very similar process. Open the MOCREO application, select the Add Device, and follow the setup instructions. During the setup, you can assign the sensor to a specific room, rename it according to its location, and organize your monitoring devices however you prefer. Once everything is connected, you'll see both the H6Lite Hub and the MS3 sensor appear within the main dashboard of the application. After using the system for roughly 2 weeks, let's take a look at the collected data. When opening the MS3 device page in the app, I encountered a message indicating that the hub update was required. Since the unit I received is a pre-release version, I reported this issue directly to MOCREO. According to their engineering team, they are already working on resolving the software bug before the final release. Fortunately, even after closing the notification, I was still able to access the recorded temperature data from my testing period. The application allows you to view temperature history in daily, monthly, and yearly formats. Another useful feature is a long-term data storage. According to MOCREO, the system supports up to 2 years of temperature data storage and export, making it useful for the long-term monitoring and record keeping. For my final setup, I placed the H6Lite Hub here in the room, while the MS3 sensor is mounted directly on my refrigerator door in the kitchen. The external probe is positioned inside the refrigerator, allowing me to monitor internal temperatures accurately. What I really like is being able to glance at the LCD screen and instantly check the current temperature without needing to open the app. So my final thoughts, the pros and the cons. After using the MOCREO H6Lite Hub plus the MS3 bundle, here are my main takeaways. First, this is much more than a basic thermometer. It's a complete refrigerator and freezer monitoring system. It offers a 24/7 remote temperature monitoring, allowing you to check your refrigerator or freezer from virtually anywhere through the application. I like the customizable temperature alerts. If temperature move outside your preferred range, the app can notify you immediately. Another standout feature is the power outage monitoring. The system can alert you when the power is lost and again when the power is restored. What really makes this bundle unique is its ability to continue recording temperature data during a power outage for up to 168 hours. Once power returns, you can review the outage period data inside the application to better understand what happened and make a more informed decision regarding your stored food, medicine, or other temperature-sensitive items. The LCD display, the external probe design, long battery life, and the up to 2 years of data storage are also excellent additions. For the cons. For the first con, since my unit is not yet the final retail version, I did encounter some software bugs during the testing. However, MOCREO has already acknowledged these issues and informed me that they are being addressed before the official release. The second con is the Home Assistant integration. While there are some DIY methods available within the community, integrations can be somewhat hit or miss. I would love to see an official and fully supported Home Assistant integration in the future. Other than those 2 points, I think this bundle delivers a solid monitoring solution for anyone who wants a better visibility in their refrigerator or freezer conditions. If you store a lot of frozen food, seafood, meat, baby formula, medicine, or simply want peace of mind when you are away from home, the MOCREO H6Lite Hub plus MS3 temperature monitoring bundle is definitely worth considering. And I think that is it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye. Peace.